day of confusion in my head.
Okay, this is Jesse.
Three different disabilities. Born with these disabilities, and I really struggled going through school. Most of the time, if people struggle, they usually have a really good, strong support system from their families and their parents. I didn't have that either. Get teased and bullied at school, and then you come home to having your parents and your two brothers gang up and tease and pick on you as well. Put your finger out right here and see it without even moving your eyes or head, right? I can't see it at all. I'll tell you when I can see it. Now, as long as it's right in front of me, then I know where it is. Looking at me different because I was different because I had a disability. I took about 3 days of drum lessons. You know why? Because my own drum teacher gave up on me. And he didn't know how to teach me after he found out that I had cerebral palsy. He quit on me. I showed him because, you know what I do for a living outside of this band? I'm a drum teacher. Is up and down the scale like this. Having a 3+ octave range, what that really means is I can sing really